Wall PythonParts version 4.2.1 updates, allowing you to complete tasks more efficiently. Starter bars will be created as reasonably as possible. Stirrups can have different types: closed stirrups, open stirrups, and starter bars, or open extend stirrups. Open stirrups for openings above can be pre-created or will be created later on the wall above. Based on input conditions, stirrups can be closed stirrups, 2 open stirrups with lapping, or normal open stirrups. New update helps define stirrups and lintel areas differently. Auto switch between open stirrup, closed stirrup, or 2 open extend stirrups. Additional diagonal rebars can be cranked to avoid collision. Normal reinforcement and reinforcement with adjust function. Visit our website alltosoftware.com to watch more details.